Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Cardano and its valuations against Bitcoin, against Ethereum, as well as the US dollar. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. Well, there's 3 days and 3.5 days left in the week for the weekly close, and Cardano has made some pretty impressive moves. Um, it's probably better if I flip it to the daily and then just represent the daily weekly moving average as the 20 week. Anyway, so the recent drop from Bitcoin that brought down the market happened on the 21st, 22nd. We see that Cardano dropped that day 17%. The following day, it dropped 1.4%, but we see a pretty nasty wick, right? In the last 2 days, we've seen a pretty quick recovery. This recovery has brought Cardano back above the 20-week moving average. It was below it. I thought it was going to break down. It didn't. And it's holding the 20-week moving average yet again. The 20-week moving average for Cardano is pretty interesting in the fact that it does hold it, to some degree. We saw that move there. We saw the wicks here. And currently right now, we're holding relatively strong where we are right now. So that is something to keep in mind. Cardano's just doing very, very well. Against the weekly, if we look at the weekly, you could see that Cardano essentially, if you get rid of these two candles here, the 17th and 10th of May weekly candles, Cardano's has simply just been moving sideways at this point, right? It's simply just moving sideways and holding very, very strong. This is something that we haven't seen before. I would say to this degree of Cardano, of the price just moving sideways. Against Ethereum, it's also holding pretty strong. Again, for the past several weeks, ever since the week of May 17th, it's been holding this Ethereum level. Obviously, we're having a pretty good rally today that's bringing up the price. But yet again, Cardano holding strong. Cardano holding very strong against Ethereum. Against Bitcoin, it's staying above this orange line here. And it's, in comparison to other altcoins, Cardano has been holding relatively strong against Bitcoin as well, only dropping 20%. If we look at Chainlink as an example, in the drop that it's had, it's about a 38% correction. Against Ethereum, we're looking at a 24% correction. Basic attention token, a relative drop of 34%. So you could see other altcoins are dropping harder against Bitcoin than Cardano. And so with that said, Cardano still proves to be a very quite reliable asset to one's portfolio. And although I don't have any Cardano in my portfolio, I recognize it's the confidence in the market for Cardano and just its performance against the major cryptocurrencies. If you find yourself an asset that has been holding for several weeks at these levels, relative from its local peaks, while Bitcoin is below the 20-week moving average, that is a pretty decent asset to look at and keep in your back pocket if you don't have any, and something to kind of hold on to if you do have it in your portfolio. Anyway, that's just a quick update with Cardano. Still holding strong, still looking real good. And that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.